Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a steering stabilizer on a Ford F250. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your truck's handling and reduce that annoying front-end wobble. We'll go through all the necessary tools and provide clear, easy-to-follow instructions, ensuring you can complete this job confidently and safely. Let's get started and make your F250 drive like new again. Before we begin, let's ensure you have all the right tools and prioritize safety. You'll need an 18mm wrench and matching sockets, along with a 15mm socket. An impact gun will speed things up, and a torque wrench is crucial for proper installation. Don't forget a hammer, as some parts might be a bit stubborn. Most importantly, always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Now let's get that old stabilizer off. First, locate the steering stabilizer, which usually connects between your drag link and the truck's frame. Use your 18mm socket to remove the nut on the drag link side. Next, move to the frame side and remove the 15mm bolt and nut. If the tapered stud is stuck, a few taps with a hammer or a pitman arm puller will help free it up, allowing you to remove the old unit. With the old one out, it's time for the new steering stabilizer. Carefully install the new unit, making sure any bushings and washers are correctly oriented. Hand tighten both ends first. This allows the stabilizer to settle into its natural position without binding. Then, use your torque wrench to tighten the drag link nut to 66 foot-pounds and the frame bolt to 76 foot-pounds. Finally, take your Ford F250 for a test drive to enjoy your improved steering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.